Hi everyone, welcome back to Deep Knowledge Channel, your go-to channel for all things Azure machine learning and more. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you will never miss any update. Today we will dive into critical step for any machine learning project, creating a compute instance. So whether you are training a model, running script, compute instance are the let's see the your powerful visual machine design for machine learning workflow. So where to find this compute? The indeed compute is belong to machine learning workspace. So if we see here, we have already created software workspaces. So we will check, for instance, we'll choose this one. So first, before diving into this, so what exactly a compute instance? So let me go to the Launch Studio. And here in this menu, you can see compute, and you can see here compute instance. So compute instance, think of it as a development environment in the cloud. It's like having a computer that's specifically optimized for machine learning task. So these instances come preloaded with common ML machine learning frameworks and tools like Jupyter Notebooks, Python, FC code, and all already installed, so you didn't need to create any, let's say, install any environment. But in case you need, you can do it. So to get started with the Azure, to get started, you need to be logged in Azure Machine Learning Studio. As you can see here, I already have uh, my account here, and you can see I have pay as you go. So I already made a video on how to create account with free account, or maybe with pay as you go. So let's say this is the dashboard of the compute, and you can see here this is a compute, and here is a compute clusters, Kubernetes clusters, and etc. But we will start with compute instance. So as I said, in the compute instance, it's like already installed or prepared machine. So everything is already in this compute instance. So if you see here, this is for instance the environment. You can see all of these already installed by the Microsoft Azure ML. You can see here Azure ML. So let's back to the compute. Now in this video, I will try to show you how to create compute instance via Azure website. In the next coming of videos, I will try to show you how to create a compute instance via CLI version 2, Python SDK version 2, and via Azure DevOps pipeline as well. So let me hit create. So you can see the create. What's this here? Select the name of the first one. So you can see there's some restrictions in compute name. The name is required and must be three between. Yeah, I mean all of the most of the component has the same instruction, but you can see here compute name must start with letters. This is okay. Compute must, yeah, compute name must be unique across all existing computes within Azure region. This is what we need to focus on. So you need to give, let's say, a specific name for you. So if a hyphen is used, it must be followed by at least one character in the letter. So let me just see compute ns ns 02, for instance. And it depends on your needs. So would you like to choose CPU or GPU? For me, I will try to choose CPU. Now you can see here, okay, it's not showing the cost. Wait, oh, no. Yeah, you can see here, this is standard DSL11 version 2, and it depends on your needs. So and you can see here, this is the cost. This is the cost per hour. So if the compute is running, either it's used, for instance, for training or testing, or not, but it's running, so you'll pay 0.18 cents. So let me just choose this one here with two cores, and I will try to preview. Now let me just show the others, and you can see everything is valid, and create. So you can see here, this will take a few minutes until running, until creating this compute. I mean, preparing this compute for you. And the second point is, where should I use this, let's see, compute? As you can see here, if you go to notebooks, and let's see, and you also have this here, I mean a terminal or files. But if there is no compute, you will find here, create a compute here button, create a compute. But for instance, let me just add the file, create file for instance, and call this test compute. You can see here, yeah, so file successfully created. And you can see here, this is my notebook, I mean Jupyter notebook file. And you can see here, compute, it has to create a compute instance for this. So you can see here, compute is creating, compute one is stopped. So you need to wait until creating this for you. After that, you can try to type here whatever you want. For instance, type import pandas as BD. So for instance, but because this is, you see, waiting for compute to connect. So this is only a short overview on how to create an compute via manually via this portal, Azure portal. And in the next video, I'll try to show you how to create this via CLI. Some guys are, let's see, familiar with command line. Until then, see you and thanks for watching.